If Windows is flagging the icuuc58 library DLL as missing or corrupted, you're in the right place. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and let's resolve this together. While we explore the technical guide for icuuc58 library, you can access a professional tool for managing complex library dependencies. This is the icuuc58 library, the international components for Unicode, ICU, Common Library, v58. It provides localized foundational routines for character set conversion, normalization, and localized string manipulation, mandatory for modern cross-platform software to handle internationalized text data with localized precision. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. Unlike Windows core files, icuuc58 library DLL belongs to the specialized ICU environment, and you must reinstall the software that is failing to load to rebuild the internal library links and stop the error. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with icuuc58 library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM space /online space /cleanup dash image space /restore health. Then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. It is important to avoid manual installation of icuuc58 library DLL if you are not a technical expert. One wrong move in your system directory can prevent your computer from booting entirely and result in data loss. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. To reduce uncertainty around library management, the diagnostic tool below includes informational content on synchronizing icuuc58 library. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter icuuc58 library critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.